Okay, so moving on to our science. So we're talking about how does heat flow? So I want you to think about a teapot, and we are going to be the teapots. So we're going to have a handle and a spout, and we're going to pretend that our feet is where the radiation comes from. So think about when a teapot sits on a stove and the heat comes up from the bottom, and that's where it's going to, so where our feet are the part that's on the stove. So it's going to be really, really hot on our feet. So hot, 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 hot. And we're going to put our handle and our spout, and we're going to think, okay, radiation. So everyone jump around on your feet. Then you have your conduction, which is your handle, and your convection, which is your spout, and it's where the steam is coming out of the spout. So how does heat flow? Radiation, conduction, and convection. So radiation, conduction, and convection. So you guys go over those. You can be the teapot, say it, make sure you bounce around on your feet like you got hot, hot, hot feet, like you're walking on coals. So radiation, conduction, convection is how heat flows. Next is, tell me about the Gulf War. In 1999, President George H.W. Bush sent troops to the Persian Gulf to expel Iraqi leader Saddam Hussein from Kuwait during the Gulf War. So make sure you listen to that song. It's a fun one. It's like a rock and roll, play the drums, pretend you're in a band kind of song. And when you sing it, make sure you try to say the words. So in 1990, President George H.W. Bush sent troops to the Persian Gulf to expel Iraqi leader Saddam Hussein from Kuwait during the Gulf War.